Okay, so in this video we are going to learn about how to use different shades and tints for creating a very pretty painting. We are going to use all the colors that should be used in this painting. We need greens for the leaves, we need some colors, different colors for the flowers, and we are going to need some tints for the background as well. So let's begin the painting. Okay, so first I am going to start with yellow because we always use the lightest color, the hue. First of all, I am going to paint the sun, and I am using the basic shade, the basic hue of it. Okay, there is no white or black added to it. This is itself a very vibrant hue. See, it's so bright. So the sun is shining brightly in this painting. Can you all see? Okay, let's move to the next one. For the background, I am using the tint of yellow. I added some white in yellow to create its tint, and I am going to do this all over the bed. So I am just making strokes over here to fill in the background. We are not going to rub the paintbrush all over. We are just going to make strokes like this, some smooth strokes, and see how much paint I have taken in the paintbrush. I am using it very carefully. I'm not putting in so much amount of paint. So for my tiny tots, for the beginners, we are just going to make a flower. You can make a beautiful flower which has tints and shades of red. If we add white to red, it creates a tint of pink, right? It changes the hue. It changes the hue from red to pink. So you can make some beautiful flowers and use light and dark green for the leaves, and background you can use any background. You can use blue, the lighter tints of blues, or you can even use orange. That would be vibrant. Yes, if your flower is red and pink and the leaves are green, orange is going to pop up all the colors and it will look very pretty. You can try all the colors that you like for the backgrounds, and you can use some colors for the whatever you are drawing. Okay, so I am completing the background. Let's see how this painting is going, and I have almost finished the background of the painting off camera. So I am just going to finish it up in front of you, and we can move to the next hue. So after this, I am going to use some tints and shades of red to paint in the flowers, create some effects, and then I will use the tint of it. So I'm using different patterns for the leaves to create the effect of shading. This is how you can use the tints and shades for creating some beautiful effects in your painting. So let's do it with all the leaves. So this is a sort of an art video right now. I am telling you how to use tints and shades in a painting, a simple painting. Okay, these are not very like complicated ones. And I am going to mix in the green with white, and I'm going to use it for filling in my leaves, filling in the rest of the part of the leaves. Okay, it is going to create a very beautiful effect. So the more colors we use in a painting, it looks right. So we have to be careful with the outlines. I say that again and again because if we don't, it ruins the whole painting. Okay, so let's finish up the leaves. We have done all the leaves now. See how pretty are they looking? By using tints of green and the basic hue, we created the effect on the leaves. It is looking so pretty now, and we are now moving towards the flower, and I am using the same green color with some yellow mixed in. It is going to give a really beautiful effect over here, like so. And then I am going to move to our third color, and that is red. We are going to use red. Now when we mix red with white, everybody knows it creates pink. Okay, so I am going to make some effects out of it for the petals of the flower. Okay, so let's move towards it. We are going to use pink first, as we use the lighter ones first. I am mixing in some red in white, and I am going to fill in the center part of the flower. Okay, so I am just doing like this. I am going to do this with all the petals. So my petals are done for the first flower, and I am moving on towards the second flower. You can use any colors for the flowers, as they are very colorful, and you can use any of the hues to create flowers. Flowers look lovely in every color. Okay, so I am going to use red now, the basic hue of red, to create the final effect. See, I am making the outline of the flower, and I am painting inwards to create the effect. Okay, so the outline and moving inwards like this, like so. You can see it's looking pretty now. So the outline and inwards. I want you all to like and share my video. Okay everyone, so I want you all to like all my videos and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Now we were doing some paintings and some topics related to colors, and today is the final class and final video for the topic of paints, and we are concluding it with the painting which I am making right now. So right now I have used the tint and shade of red, and I am using color mixed red and yellow to create this orange. This is not a ready-made orange paint. I mixed it up and filled in over here. See, I created one secondary color which I wanted to use by the primary colors I already had. So I am painting this one with orange as well. If we know color mixing, we can make any of the colors that we require. So now this is looking very pretty, and it is popping up. So I am going to use some more orange to pop my flowers up. Okay, so I am painting orange behind the flowers, and it is going to look very pretty. The opposite color of yellow in a color wheel is purple, that pops yellow up. So I am going to make purple out of the two secondary colors I have. I have some red and I have some blue, and I am going to mix them up to create purple. Okay, so I am creating some purple by color mixing. So yellow and orange is always popped up with purple. The last thing to do in this painting is to fill in this circle now. With the tip of my paintbrush, I am going to make the line over here. So the only thing, okay, so this was the last thing to do in my painting, and you can see that how we use simple 2 to 3 colors to make a whole painting. Using monochromatic color scheme, we can make paintings out of using just one hue and its tint and shades. We can use black and white to make tints and shades, and one beautiful painting. You can see the painting closely now, and this is it. This was the video for today, and my painting is complete. You can see how beautiful it is looking. It has so many colors. All the colors are popping up in this picture, and the clouds are white. All the colors, different colors are on this painting, and you can see the previous painting as well, in which we just used blue, white and black to create the whole painting. You can try out these paintings at home, and you can share your experiences with me, and I would be waiting for your comment. How did this painting and did you like my video for today and my work and my painting? I want you all to comment in the comment section. I will be waiting for it, and please like and subscribe my channel. If you like all the work which I do for you, please like my video. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz, my tiny dots. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.